so fucking wet, but it's so fucking good. Took my bike to the climbing gym, 1.5 mile, 15 kilometers, climbed for 5 hours, drove back to my aunt's house, then the fucking rain come, so fucking wet and so fucking cold. But if I want to come home, I had to drive my bike. There it is, my beauty. So fucking wet, so fucking good. 15 kilometers more. Really awesome, really awesome. No, I mean, no. I fucking 100 kilometers. Yeah, no, I'm lost. Yeah, so this is how the fuck I do it. Harden the fuck up. Because when you really need to harden the fuck up, you can harden the fuck up. If you've done some tough shit before. But if you don't do it, you would stand in the ground and don't make decisions. Take the hard things to do. See you later, guys. Live your life. Get out there. And love the pain. Love the challenge. Love your fucking dream. Spread the happiness. Spread the love also. Don't just be angry like me. Spread some love also. Done.